Today, let's deep dive into a cornerstone of modern AI convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. Let's uncover how they work and why they're so powerful. Convolutional neural networks are a specialized type of deep learning algorithm designed primarily for visual data analysis. Inspired by the human visual cortex, CNNs can automatically detect and learn spatial hierarchies of features within images. They've revolutionized how we approach tasks like object recognition, face detection, and medical imaging. At the heart of every CNN is the convolution operation. It uses small filters or kernels that slide across the input image, performing element-wise multiplication and summation. This results in a feature map, highlighting key patterns in the image. These filters are trained to detect patterns such as edges, textures, or corners. The same filter is used throughout the image, reducing the number of trainable parameters. This is known as parameter sharing. The result is a set of feature maps showing where each feature was found. But convolution isn't enough. CNNs also use pooling layers to reduce dimensionality, making them computationally efficient and invariant to minor shifts or distortions. Then, activation functions like ReLU introduce nonlinearity, allowing CNNs to learn complex patterns instead of just straight lines. CNNs shine for several reasons. They learn features automatically, no manual engineering needed. They use fewer parameters through shared filters, which improves generalization and training speed. They're also spatially invariant, recognizing patterns even when they shift within the image. But they're not perfect. CNNs require significant computational power, especially during training. They also need large amounts of labeled data to perform well. And they often act like black boxes, hard to interpret, and vulnerable to subtle, adversarial attacks that can cause misclassifications. CNNs are widely used in image classification, like identifying animals or objects in photos. They're also central to object detection, which not only classifies but also locates multiple items in an image. This makes them critical for applications in autonomous vehicles and smart surveillance. In healthcare, CNNs power diagnostics analyzing X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect tumors or other anomalies. In autonomous vehicles, they help cars understand their surroundings, detecting traffic lights, pedestrians, and road signs for safe navigation. CNNs also fuel innovation in security, enabling facial recognition and anomaly detection in real-time video feeds. Retailers use them for product recommendation, inventory tracking, and customer behavior analysis. In robotics, they allow machines to perceive and interact with their environment. They even play a role in art, generating visuals and transferring styles. To summarize, CNNs are the foundation of modern computer vision, offering efficient feature learning and high performance across many domains. Yet, challenges like computational costs and data requirements remain. As research advances, new architectures and techniques will expand their potential, unlocking even more possibilities for the future. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into convolutional neural networks. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how CNNs work and their powerful real-world applications. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, at the Concept Bytes, we help you learn smarter. See you in the next one.